it's close.
Okay, that's going. It's red.
Light's not on though. There it is. See, I went in there, but it fell in too. Won't come out.
Won't come out
There
now?
it goes. Gotta get the high spots worn in. Where's my thumb? See, right here it goes pretty easy.
Uh-huh.
But if you move it to a different location, it don't move very easy. So that means we're going to mark it. So that goes right there. As long as I line that up, I won't have to fight it so much.
Pretty smart, Tatro. Pretty smart marking it. Yep, that's your marker. Go right in there then, huh?
Yeah. Okay, now I got to stack all this stuff up in here again. So like that. Our spring kit going in. Put the top one in. Get this piece going in right where it belongs. I gotta kind of move everything around until it pops in where it goes. See, it's being stubborn in there.
Yeah.
All the parts have to line up just right, and everything's pretty tight tolerance, so kind of wiggle a little bit. And
It's got to be tight tolerances, doesn't
there
it?
it goes. You gotta get just right.
Did you get it?
And it popped, went down flush. I showed you and popped back up those.
Yeah.
If there's any binding at all, it won't go. There, see, now we're down.
Yep, there you go.
But not quite all the way. It stopped cleanly right there. There we go. When it rotated, it went down further. I'm guessing the spring was probably underneath it. Remember I told you that spring sticks out at all, we're screwed?
Yeah.
I bet you'd move. That's the things that drop down. So we put the sharp edge up.
Yep.
Went under my little punch right here. Peen the clip, make sure it's in all the way. And it's in all the way. Good. So now it's all in there like it's supposed to be.
Yep.
Make sure the plunger moves up and down so it works a lot freer than the other one.
Yeah.
You can hear it going up and down. But
Here, going up and down.
now this should go all the way through if we're lucky. Popped out nice and cleanly.
All the way through.
falling out. Can't fall out if the spring is in there.
Yep.
Alright. So the oil goes in here before you put the cap on.
Yeah, okay. We gotta put the bottom tube on.
Remember that cap?
Or that cap.
Remember the one I beat on?
Yeah.
Remember I told you it wasn't going to come off?
Yeah. See if it comes off now.
If you have a strap wrench, it will. Oh, it did come off. I didn't hit it very hard. So it does come up right now. I'm going to leave it like that for now.
Yep.
Now before I held the fork leg in the vise, this time I'm going to hold this in the vise. I'm going to go the other direction.
There you go.
It's really a toss-up which one's better.
I think that bait's better.
You don't have as much feel, but you got more force.
Yeah, you got more force.
You don't have the feel though.
Yeah, but that way you're not pushing that thing in there and trying to twist it at the same
So on a
time.
fine thread and shovel fork, you probably have a strong chance of stripping it.
Really?
With the coarse thread that these ones are, it's a lot easier. I think we're okay. Show, I'd rather push it by hand. I got more control, more
Oh,
feel.
yeah? Okay. Who made these?
But this is a pretty robust thread here. It's nice and big thread.
Yeah.
Those other ones are really fine.
Who made these? These
Harley.
for Harley made those for them?
It's all Harley stuff.
All Harley stuff?
Yeah, this is a Harley fork. That's why it's so crappy. Show don't do any of this crap. They make everything work on it. Okay, so there you go. That was quick and simple. Almost nothing to it.
Yeah.
There you go. Look at that.
Oh, it's nothing to it, huh?